The digital landscape is rapidly evolving, and so are the dangers lurking within it. As we step into the world of the internet in 2024, the need to stay vigilant online has never been more crucial. Cybercriminals are becoming smarter, more sophisticated, and their tactics more unpredictable. In a world where every click could potentially open a door to malicious activity, understanding the latest cybersecurity trends is essential. This video will dive deep into the emerging threats and what you can do to stay protected in this ever-changing environment. Cybersecurity in 2024 is no longer just about protecting your computer from viruses. It's about safeguarding your entire digital life. The rise of artificial intelligence-driven attacks is a prime example of how technology, meant to benefit us, is being twisted into a tool for cybercriminals. These artificial intelligence attacks can mimic human behavior, making it harder for traditional security systems to detect them. This new breed of cyber threats can infiltrate systems without triggering any alarms, making them a silent but deadly force in the digital world. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, so do the methods of these cybercriminals, who are now able to launch more sophisticated and targeted attacks. The line between real and synthetic interactions is blurring, complicating the ability of users to discern genuine communication from malicious intent. In this environment, the need for advanced cybersecurity measures has never been more critical. As artificial intelligence evolves, so do the methods to counter it, leading to the development of artificial intelligence-driven defense systems. However, the battle between cybercriminals and cybersecurity experts is like an arms race. For every defensive measure created, a new threat emerges, pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. One of the most concerning trends is the rise of deepfake technology, which can generate highly convincing fake videos and audio. These deepfakes are often used to manipulate or deceive, posing serious risks to individuals and organizations alike. The potential for deepfakes to disrupt businesses, spread misinformation, and even sway public opinion is immense, creating a new frontier in the ongoing struggle for digital security. As these threats become more sophisticated, the challenge for cybersecurity experts is not just to keep up, but to stay one step ahead in this relentless arms race. The rise of deepfakes is just the tip of the iceberg. As more devices become connected through the Internet of Things, our vulnerabilities multiply. Smart homes, once seen as the pinnacle of convenience, are now prime targets for cyber attacks. Hackers can exploit weak links in these systems to gain access to personal data, or worse, take control of your devices. Imagine your smart thermostat or security camera being used against you. The potential for misuse is enormous, and staying ahead of these threats is crucial. With the increasing dependence on digital currencies and online transactions, financial cybersecurity is another area that demands attention. Cryptocurrencies, once hailed as secure and anonymous, are now under threat from hackers who find new ways to bypass blockchain security. Phishing scams targeting digital wallets are on the rise, and without proper precautions, users could lose their assets in seconds. The importance of securing online financial transactions cannot be overstated, as the implications of a breach can be devastating. Another growing concern is the rise of ransomware attacks. In 2024, these attacks are expected to become more targeted and destructive. Unlike random phishing attacks, ransomware now focuses on high-profile targets like corporations, hospitals, and even governments. The ransom demands are skyrocketing, and the impact of these attacks can cripple entire infrastructures. The key to protecting yourself and your organization is staying informed and prepared for these eventualities. Protecting personal data has also become a significant challenge. Data breaches continue to make headlines, with companies losing millions of users' information to hackers. The rise of data privacy laws across the globe is a step in the right direction, but they are not foolproof. It's crucial for individuals to take their privacy into their own hands by using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious about the information they share online. The importance of cybersecurity training for individuals and employees has never been greater. Many cyber attacks succeed not because of sophisticated hacking techniques, but due to human error. Phishing emails, weak passwords, and unpatched software are still some of the leading causes of breaches. By educating yourself and your team on the latest threats and best practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these attacks. Regular training and awareness campaigns should be an integral part of any organization's security strategy. The concept of zero trust architecture is gaining momentum as a vital cybersecurity strategy. Unlike traditional security models that assume everything inside the network is safe, Zero Trust operates on the principle of never trust, always verify. Every user, device, and application must be authenticated and authorized before gaining access to any part of the network. This approach minimizes the risk of internal threats and is becoming a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity practices. As we move further into 2024, the role of cybersecurity in protecting critical infrastructure cannot be overlooked. From power grids to water supplies, these systems are increasingly dependent on technology, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. The potential for widespread disruption is high, and securing these infrastructures is a top priority for governments and organizations worldwide. The collaboration between the public and private sectors is essential to strengthen these defenses and ensure the continued safety of our essential services. The evolution of 5G technology is another factor that will significantly impact cybersecurity in 2024. While 5G promises faster and more reliable connections, it also opens up new avenues for cyber threats. The increased speed and connectivity will provide more opportunities for cyber criminals to exploit weaknesses in networks. As 5G becomes more widespread, it's essential to understand the associated risks and take steps to mitigate them. With all these emerging threats, it's clear that cybersecurity in 2024 requires a proactive approach. Waiting for an attack to happen is no longer an option. Businesses and individuals alike must stay ahead of the curve by adopting the latest security measures, keeping their software updated, and remaining vigilant. The cyber world is constantly changing, and only those who adapt will be able to protect themselves from the ever-growing list of threats. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below about your thoughts on these cybersecurity trends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video.